Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen today. Today I'm going to make Sabudana Kheer. That's also called tapioca pudding. Let's take 1 cup of Sabudana, sago pearl. Rinse Sabudana well for at least 2 times and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. The fact of using Sabudana during the fasting time on Navratri is that it loads you with instant energy. And anybody and everybody can have this as it does not cause any allergy. Cover it with the lid and leave it aside for 3 to 4 hours. Now let's see after 4 hours. Now as we can see, Sabudana has fluffed up after soaking. Let's start with heating the pan in a medium flame. We'll take milk 2.5 cups. Keep boiling it in a medium flame till it gets a thick consistency. Now we'll add soaked Sabudana in the milk. Keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the pan. As you can see, it has started taking the consistency. We'll add sugar as per our taste. Mix it well. I have added cashew nut and almond. You can add any of the available dry fruit that you have at home. Let's mix it. We'll add cardamom, elaichi powder, half teaspoon, and we'll mix it well. Now we can switch off the flame. Sabudana Kheer is ready to serve. We'll serve it in a bowl. Creamy, thick, delicious Sabudana Kheer is ready. We'll garnish it with almond. Our creamy and delicious Sabudana Kheer is ready. We can serve it hot or cold. You can keep it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to get it chilled. I love the taste when it's really chilled. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching. Much love. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Kalakand. For that I have taken a pan. Heat the pan. Milk 2.5 cups. Let's heat the milk. Milk maid 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Milk powder 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. So keep mixing. Keep stirring it. Now we'll add powdered sugar as per the taste. Keep stirring it. Now we are going to add freshly made paneer, 200 grams. Let's mix it well. Keep it in a medium flame. It has started taking the consistency for Kalakand. We have added elaichi powder, that's cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Keep mixing it. It's ready. Now we'll serve it in a plate. Place the whole mixture in the plate and refrigerate it for 1 hour so that it takes the shape. We can garnish it with almond or any available dry fruit that we have at home. It looks so delicious. We can cut it into pieces and we can serve it. See how delicious it looks. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Makhana almond fry Navratri special. Navratri is a Hindu festival celebrated across India. Makhana is also known as lotus seeds. Let's start the preparation. Makhana 1 cup, almond 12 to 14 pieces, rock salt, seindha namak, ghee 2 to 3 teaspoon, kali mirch, black pepper half teaspoon. Heat the pan. 2 to 3 teaspoon of ghee. Heat oil in the pan. Add almond and roast for 2 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring it. Now add makhana and roast for a good 7 to 8 minutes in low flame so that it becomes crisp and crunchy. Keep stirring in between. Lastly, add black pepper half teaspoon and rock salt as per taste. Switch off the flame. Mix it well. Mix the whole mixture well. Serve the roasted makhana almond mixture. Ready to serve. It's ready to eat during the fasting time. It's very tasty, crunchy and addictive. Thank you for watching. See you next time.